Here's another of the boys. He has about as much time as Chuck, but a little different approach to it. This is Chuck Randall. He's training to be a fighter pilot and has about 40 hours in the P-39. Knows the airplane pretty well, too. He's not the hottest pilot in the world, but conscientious. He'll make a good...
Company's new $1 million assembly plant at Niagara Falls is one of the first to use a conveyor system inaugurated by the American automobile industry. 6 of these ingenious belts, which move along at the rate of an inch every 3 minutes, will be in operation soon. They will serve your own experience. Something you'll always have with you. So keep it up to date.
So now let's start at the beginning with Chuck. See what he found out. What do you say, Chuck?
Okay, sir. Well, after the tech...
It was a safe land. But just as with any new airplane, the more you know about it, the better you'll fly it. Much of the information you need, you'll get from your instructor. Some of it you'll get from talking it over with other men.
Step up production of speedy Airacobras for the Army Air Corps. And here's the first Airacobra to roll off the new assembly line. All ready to fly. And how?
Sure, it was a safe landing. He didn't have a scratch. Pretty sad-looking airplane. He didn't look too happy.
Getting her in the air was all right. As a matter of fact, it was fun. I'd never flown that much power before, and I was surprised how easily she handled it. But I had never landed a tricycle gear job before either. So I guess I was... Matter of fact, it was fun. I'd never flown that much power before, and I was surprised how easily she handled it. But I had never landed a tricycle gear job before either. So I guess I was a little uncertain about bringing her in. And I applied the brakes intermittently to lose speed. We don't roll up the flaps here until we park, since there are no stones to damage them and there's less chance of...
Caliber automatic cannon along the front line. Some models have a 20mm cannon and others a 27mm. In addition, there are two synchronized 50
I
caliber.
was a little uncertain about bringing her in. I could see I was coming in pretty fast and there wasn't going to be enough running. So I gunned her to go around. I knew the fellas were watching, but I figured I could live that down easier than messing up a nice new airplane.
With Chuck. See what he found out. What do you say, Chuck?
Okay, sir. Well, after the tech orders and a thorough check of the cockpit, I was ready to give it a try. With the tail in the air, I could see where I was going without essing. The performance of the airplane and the operation of its engine. I was flying a Model N airplane and knew from the tech orders that if necessary, I could take off with 52 inches and 3,000 RPM, which is rated takeoff power. But in training, with the airplane making 8 or 10